Hey there, apartment investors. Today I'm diving into some game-changing lease negotiation hacks specifically for small investors like you. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, role-playing lease negotiation scenarios can make all the difference. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about imagine your potential tenant asks for an early or delayed move-in date. This could mess with your property's schedule, right? Practice scenarios where you find a happy medium. Maybe offer a prorated rent or suggest a flexible move-in window that works for both parties. It's all about balance. Next, consider the ever-popular. Your tenant really wants to bring Fluffy along, but you've got a strict no-pet policy. Role-play how to handle this. Be clear about your policy, but explore alternatives like pet deposits or pet rent. This shows you're firm but fair. Now, what about? Tenants might want to install a washer and dryer in their unit. Practice addressing concerns about cost, responsibility, and the potential impact on the unit. Could you offer a shared laundry space as a compromise? Think creatively. All right, let's move on to first. Active listening is key. Don't interrupt. Reflect back key points to show you understand and validate their needs. This builds trust. Adopt A. If a tenant wants an extended move-in date, suggest a reasonable compromise. It's about collaborating, not just dictating terms. And remember, keep your communication. If you have to deny a request, explain your reasoning and offer alternatives. This shows you're professional and empathetic. Role-playing common objections is crucial. Let's say a tenant is worried about. Discuss potential options like a small fee or deposit for requests that might incur additional maintenance. This can ease their worries. How about a tenant might ask for a 9-month lease instead of the standard 12-month. Practice how you'd communicate available options, like a standard lease with an early termination clause. Flexibility is key. Now, explaining your clearly is essential. Whether it's a no-pet policy or alteration restrictions, respect tenant needs while maintaining your property standards. Role-play these conversations to be prepared. Lastly, always, and adjust your techniques. Reflect on your communication style and seek feedback on your tone, language, and effectiveness. Note any challenging aspects of the negotiation and strategize ways to handle similar situations in the future. Refine your negotiation tactics. Use positive negotiation tactics like offering small concessions or using bridging language. Encourage cooperation with phrases like, while we typically, let's see what we can work out together. All right, folks, that's a wrap on lease negotiation hacks for small apartment investors. Practice makes perfect, so get out there and sharpen those skills. Thanks for watching and happy investing.